What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. So today I want to ask you guys a question. I'm kind of itching to do another Jason costume tutorial, but I'm not really sure which one I should do. I keep getting asked in the comments which Jason costume I'm going to be doing next, so this is where I need you guys to come in. I'm toying with the idea of one of these three Jasons, but I'm not really sure which one. I get a lot of comments asking if I can do the Jason from Mortal Kombat X, but on the same hand, I'm getting just as many comments for the Dream Sequence Jason from Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning. And without fail, people keep continuously asking if I'm ever going to do the Retro NES Jason from the Friday the 13th the game. So I want you guys to decide for me which one of these three Jasons you would like to see a costume tutorial of. The Jason from Mortal Kombat X, the Dream Sequence Jason from Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning, or the Retro NES Jason from Friday the 13th the game. Let me know down below. Alright everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.